Jule and salam to you all. Namgyal and Lars here again, presenting you all with a very famous Ladakhi ghazal called Jamila Amme Pomo or Late Dagon Bakyom. The space we're shooting right now is called Spindle Art Studio, located in the old Leh town. The studio belongs to Chimay Dorje, who was one of the team members representing India to China in making snow and ice sculpture. Today also happens to be Ambedkar Jayanti, and this song would be a commemoration or a dedication to all the Ladakhi artisans or artists who played a key role in preserving Ladakhi songs, art and culture. In this regard, I would like to take the name of Ladakhi nightingale Abhi Sishulamo, who we remember today because of her ghazal and her melodious voice. Actually, there are two versions of the song, and before I go into the nitty-gritties of the song, I would like to give you a historical background of the song. So this song was originally written around 20-30 years back by somebody called Abdullah Khan from Dras, and he happened to be around the AIR Leh, All India Radio Leh, and Ajay Khatija, who is a relative from Sishulamo, the Nightingale of Ladakh. She had written it down and put it in the book. So that's why there are almost two versions of the song, and this song is on the lips of almost every growing up kid like me who grew up in the radio culture, where we all grew up listening to radios. So today I'm gonna sing both the versions together so that it won't create confusion there. So you can call it a folk song fusion or a ghazal fusion. Jamila Amme Pomole Jamila, Jamila me pomole Jamila, kakas kum sarakhe darba kyong le Jamila, kakas kum sarakhe darba kyong le Jamila. So this is the starting of the song, where basically the song is about a brother and a sister relationship, but more like a brother commanding the sister to be ready, to get this, to get that, you know. And in a way, I think they are projecting the things they can't possess, but they want to wear the best of the things to go for a fair. And this is a merrymaking song, so you can understand the fervor of the song to be happy. So this first verse is about Jamila Amme Pomole Jamila. Oh Jamila, oh the daughter of the beautiful mother, please fetch me some buttermilk. Tara, you know, darba in Balti or Purgi, and Tara in Ladakhi, buttermilk, because I'm very thirsty. So the brother is commanding the sister to get some buttermilk, and from here on, the mood of the song changes from food to clothes and the best of the clothes. So let's listen to the next verse. Late dagon bokyong ashenomo, late dagon bogon le Jamila, ngatang sen moyula tukpachen ashenomo, ngatang erga moyula tukpachen le Jamila. So in this verse, he's saying, hey Jamila, or Ashinomo, you know, since I'm mixing both the versions together, they're saying, get the finest of the finest silk veil, you know, the silk, dagon means the dupatta, get the finest dupatta, where we're going to the fair. So Senmoyul means the happy place. Let's listen to the next verse and see what they're wearing next. Koshindu grispokyong ashenomo, Koshindu grispokyong le Jamila, ngatang sen moyula tukpachen kakenomo, ngatang sen moyula tukpachen le Jamila. In this verse, the brother is saying, get the brocade dress with dragon design on it, you know, basically the dragon designed brocade dress, get that, wear that, we're going to happy place, we're going to the feast. Then the next verse, they talk about Dangang po shilpo kung ashinomo, Dangang po shilpo gun le Jamila, ngatang sin moyula tukpachen kakinomo, ngatang erga moyula tukpachen le Jamila. So in this verse, he's saying, get the chest full of jewelries, full of turquoise, pearls, gold, you know. Since Ladakhi women have a tradition of wearing heavy jewelry, so he's saying wear all of the finest the jewels, and we're going to the fair. And then in the next verse, let's see. Tunglar tamik pogyong ashinomo, tunglar tamik pogon le Jamila, ngatang sinmoyulla thukpachen kakenomo, ngatang ergamoyulla thukpachen le Jamila. In this verse, the brother is saying, "Hey Jamila," or "Hey sisters, get the bangle or the conch shell which Ladakhi brides wear. Get the conch shell with horse design on it, because tamik basically is the eye of the horse. So the conch shell was designed in such a way that it looked like an eye of the horse. So he's saying, get the finest of the conch shell, wear it, and let's go to the fair. And next we say, Sikkim skedas pogyong ashinomo, Sikkim skedas pogon le Jamila, ngatang sinmoyulla thukpachen kakenomo, ngatang ergamoyulla thukpachen le Jamila. In this he's saying, wear the finest, the kamarband. Kamarband, as in Ladakhi we call it the skeraks, which women wear women and men both wear and their gocha or the dress. So it's in a British term we can call it a kamarband. The kamarband from Sikkim, like imported kamarband. Get that, wear that. Let's dress the finest and let's go to the fair. And from here we're going to the last stanza or the last verse, which talks about shoes. Let's see. Zari chan kapsha kyung ashinomo, Zari chan kapsha gon le Jamila, ngatang sinmoyulla thukpachen kakenomo, ngatang ergamoyulla thukpachen le Jamila. So here he's saying, get the Zari chan kapsha. So kapsha is the jutti, the Punjabi version of jutti, or the shoe with a pointed head. So he's saying, wear the laced kapsha, laced juti, and then we'll go to the fair wearing all of it. So all in all, the brother is telling Jamila to wear the silk veil, the jewelry, finest jewelry, the horse-eyed conch shell bangle, the dragon printed brocade dress, and the laced juti or the laced shoes. So that's the song, that's the mood of the song. But I would like to conclude again with the starting stanza so that all Ladakhis can relive their 90s memories. Jamila me pomole Jamila, Kakas kum sarakhe darba kyong le Jamila, Kakas kum sarakhe darba kyong le Jamila, ngatang sinmoyulla thukpachen kakenomo, ngatang ergamoyulla thukpachen le Jamila. So that's how we end, bring the buttermilk. Let's go to the feast. Let's enjoy and let's mermake. We truly hope you love the song. We'll be coming up with more songs like this. Until then, stay tuned with us and don't forget to follow, like and subscribe Lars, Namgyal and Spindle Art Studio and Cafe, July. As part of the folk song series, we are presenting you